Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Go Bluetooth speaker and this has crackling sound problem. So without wasting any time, let me show you a quick demo here. You could have heard the crackling sound of the speaker. So the problem is speaker driver. So we have to replace the speaker driver here. So without wasting any time, let's tear this down. So first we have to take this metal mesh out. So the important part in this is we should not damage the housing. So many people I have seen like they pry it from deep and they damage the housing. So after damaging, the air leakage will happen. So there will be no use after the speaker driver replacement. So alright, so to take this metal mesh without damaging, a simple trick is we have to give some heat over here. I am using a hair dryer here as of now. So I am going to give some heat approximately about 30 seconds right around here. So let me do that. So now you can see I am using this sharp screwdriver here. Simply from top I am showing you in close up. Simply I am going to slowly lift this metal. You can see it is coming here. So we have to lift the both sides, then only it will come out evenly. So now this side. It will be hard, so open it very patiently. So finally this has come. So now here there will be 4 screws, 3 and 4. So we have to open this. So to open this I am going to use this T6 screwdriver bit. So let me take that out. So this is the screwdriver. So let's take all the four screws. So that's it. Let's take out the cloth here. And you can see I'm showing you in close up the damaged ring here. So because of this crackling sound comes. So totally damaged here. So alright, let's take this housing from this place. So again I am going to slowly pry from here. Not going to insert the screwdriver very deeply. Very lightly I am going to pull like this, both sides and this side. So you can see it has come without damaging. So now I am going to take out the speaker wire here. So there is no use as of now for this part. So I am going to keep this separately. Now you can see here the speaker damage here. So alright, we have to replace this speaker driver. So I have this original JBL Go Bluetooth speaker driver. So you can see it is 100% same and original. So this has been harvested from JBL Go Bluetooth speaker and I have replaced the ring here for long life. And this speaker driver is for sale here as well. So these are the speaker drivers of JBL Go, original speaker drivers of JBL Go Bluetooth speaker. So these are very rare to get. So if you want to buy this speaker driver, if you have crackling sound problem in your JBL Go Bluetooth speaker, you can buy it from me. I am located here in Bangalore. So I have given the WhatsApp number here. You can just do message and I can reply you if you want to buy this. So this is very rare and first time I am selling here in YouTube. So alright, now without wasting any time, let's replace the driver and check the audio quality of this Bluetooth speaker. So alright, so again to take the speaker driver out, we have to take out 2 screws. So I am going to use this same screwdriver, T6 bit. So let's take the speaker. So simply I am going to take this damaged speaker. So let's put the speaker, the fresh speaker, and put the screws back to its place. So that's it. Now it's time to install the speaker. So I'm just going to connect the speaker wire here in the motherboard. So then we have to simply keep the housing and just simply press like this. So after pressing we have to put 4 screws here. So let me put that. So done, that's it. Now it's time to put the cloth back to its place. Then we have to just simply keep the metal housing here and just simply press like this. You can see there is no marks whatsoever. It is very clean. Now I am going to show you a quick demo here without wasting any time.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So alright, there is no crackling sound problem whatsoever. So the important part is, without damaging, we have to take out this metal mesh and the top housing. Then we can replace the driver. So speaker will start performing normally. So that is the beauty. So the reason why the speaker started working again is because of these drivers. So the crackling sound problem was because of this bad speaker driver. So you can see. So this is original JBL Go Bluetooth speaker driver, which is harvested from JBL Go Bluetooth speaker itself, and the rubber ring has been replaced for longer life. So this is for sale here. So if you want to buy this, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So these speaker drivers can be shipped to any part of India, any village, any city. So no problem until you have PIN code. So this can be shipped through speed post courier. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.